All right, the objective today is to get the asphalt shingles picked up, bagged up, and put out towards the trash cans. So I'm using the straps for my FRP mini bike to hold this down, and I'm gonna wear my helmet. There's the rig. There's my Massimo MB200 with a 224 Predator. All right, she is loaded up. If I had to guess, that's probably close to 300 pounds of asphalt shingles in those bags. So I always try to load it from the front to the back first, because if you have it all in the back and you're pulling, it's gonna want to go crazy. It could be disastrous. But anyways, there's the bike. I only made a dent in probably half of this pile. I probably got honestly 6 to 8 more bags to fill with all this stuff, maybe even more. I don't know. Over a month later now, and we're going to be going back to finishing up the pile of asphalt shingles that we have uncovered on our property. Why I double it up. Gloves are already falling apart. In fact, I got a little bit of dirt in my fingernails. Feel it. So I'm gonna have to triple it up. Something in that pile smells like pig anus. It's not bad, but it's not pleasant. I've dealt with worse though. sorry. Look at who I found here. He's huge. I mean, I've seen bigger, but yeah, he came out of the dirt. I didn't mean to drop him. I feel so bad, but I'm gonna find a safer spot for this little guy here. I'm gonna put him in this rock area and go hide. I got some dirt in my mouth, just a little bit. It's okay, it happens all the time. All right, we're done. So it's not 100% perfect, but it is far better than what it was. This whole area I'm in was like a foot thick of just asphalt shingles. 13 bags, carpenter bags. That's 1, 3. Unreal. And I filled them as much as I could handle, so obviously I don't want to fill it to the brim because then I will put myself into permanent disability for the rest of my life, if you know what I mean. So, all right, project's complete. Go. It all looks good, except for this. So, can you see that? I ain't even gonna bother. Some things aren't worth fighting for, and that's one of them. Area looks clear. So, all right, here is the wagon, 4 bags, easily over 300 pounds of weight there. The bike, we're ready to go. I've got to take a good shower after I get this stuff unloaded. Dude. That's gonna be great video there.
Oh, that was so stupid. What do you have to say, buddy?
I tripped and it hurts.
I thought you did a roll, but apparently not. Oh, that was great. I ran, I tripped, and I tried.
That was awesome, man. Let's get down here. This is awesome.
Hopefully, when we play it back,
Yeah.
maybe we can do it in slow mo.
Yeah, we'll have to do slow-mo.
Smells like Cheerios.
It does.